Hey guys, Stev here at OC Manscaped. I want to talk to you a little bit about something more serious, something that is very, very close to my heart. And in times like these where there's so much division in our world, socially, politically, religiously, everything is so confusing right now. There's so much division. There's something that you can do. Something you could do that will bring us all together just for moments at a time. Something that will unite us in laughter and in smiling and in joy, even for fleeting moments. There's just one thing that you men can do. Wax your anus. When there's no hair in your butt crack or on your butthole, farts are so loud. They're loud, they're uproarious, they're joyous. Children laugh, parents laugh, the adults, everyone looks at each other as they're laughing in unity because you farted. It was loud and funny and hilarious, and we all smiled together for even just for a moment. Do it for humanity. Do it for your fellow man. Do it for the children. Give them a world that they can grow up in and smile and laugh because you waxed your butthole and farted. I say this with all the love and conviction in my heart. Please, wax your butt. OC Manscaped. Fine grooming for gentlemen. Stay handsome. Stay groomed. Please.